Welcome to Modern Group of Institution. In today's video lecture, we study about parametric test, which is a part of biostatics and research methodology. First of all, what is statistical test? Statistical tests are intended to decide whether a hypothesis about distribution of one or more population or sample should be rejected or accepted. Statistical tests mainly divided into two tests. First one is parametric test and another one is non-parametric test. Now, what is parametric test? Parametric test is a statistical test that make assumption about the parameter of the population distribution from which one data is drawn. That is, it is all about the parameter of the population distribution. What is the application of parametric test? It is used for quantitative data. It is used for continuous variable, used when the data are measured on approximate interval or ratio scale of measurement. Data should follow normal distribution. Parametric test is divided into various type of tests. First one is t-test. T-test for one sample, t-test for two sample. In two sample, unpaired two sample t-test and paired two sample t-test. Second one is ANOVA, that is one-way ANOVA or two-way ANOVA. Third one is Pearson R correlation, and fourth one is Z-test. Now, first of all, we will talk about student t-test. It is first developed by Professor W.S. Gossett. A t-test compares the difference between two means of different group to determine whether the difference is statistically significant. It basically compares two means of different group to determine whether the difference is significant or not. The first is t-test, one sample test. Assumptions are population is normally distributed, sample is drawn from the population and it should be random sample. We should know the population mean. The condition is population standard deviation is not known. Size of the sample is always smaller than 30. In one sample t-test, we know the population mean. We draw a random sample from the population and compare the sample mean with the population mean and make the statistical decision as whether the sample mean is different from the population. For example, let x1, x2 and up to xn be the random sample and size of the sample is n and drawn from normal population having mean nu and variance is sigma square. According to null hypothesis, population mean is nu is equal to specified value nu 0. Then under null hypothesis, the test statistics t-test x bar, that is the mean, minus population mean. X bar is the sample mean, nu is the population mean, s is the standard deviation, and n is the sample size. Now, if we talk about two sample tests, use when two independent random sample come from a normal population. Two independent random sample come from a normal population having unknown or same variance. Then, according to null hypothesis, the two population mean are same, that is nu1 is equal to nu2. The conditions and the assumptions are population are normally distributed, sample are drawn independently and at random, standard deviation in the population are same or not known, and sample size should be small. Then if we talk about the formula of the two, if we talk about the two sample t-test, two independent sample xi, I may be 1, 2 up to n, and yj, that is j is 1, 2 up to n of n1 and n2 have been drawn from normal population with nu1 and nu2 are the respectively mean. According to null hypothesis H0, where nu1 is equal to nu2, under this condition, x bar minus y bar, mean of the sample, S is the standard deviation, and n1 and n2 are the size of the sample. Now, paired t-test used when the measurement are taken from same subject before and after some manipulation or treatment. Means same subject before or after treatment. In our pharmaceutical science, we can say before or after treatment to determine the significance of blood pressure before and after administration of experimental blood pressure drug or experimental blood pressure substance. It is known as pair test. It is taken from a same subject. Population distribution normal. Sample are drawn independent and random. Sample are related with each other. Size of the sample are small and equal. Standard deviation in the population are equal or not known. Then according to this, pair t-test, null hypothesis UD is equal to 0. Student t-test where D is the average of D and D is the difference of x1 and x2, and S is the standard deviation and N is the sample size. Now if we talk about the Z test, first we have talked about the student t-test. In t-test, one pair test and unpaired test, paired test and unpaired test, one sample unpaired test and two sample unpaired test, and paired test. Now in Z test, Z is the statistical test where normal distribution is applied, is basically used for dealing with problem related to large sample when the frequency is greater than or equal to 30. In student t-test, we always track sample below 30. It is used when the population of standard deviation is known. Condition and assumptions. The population is normally distributed. The sample is drawn at random. Conditions: population standard deviation is known. Sample size is always greater than or equal to 30. For example, x1, x2 and x. These are the random sample from the sample size n with the population mean is nu and variance is sigma square, and x bar be the mean of the sample size n. So according to null hypothesis, H0 is nu is equal to nu 0, and we can apply the formula Z is equal to x bar minus nu 0 S upon under root n. If the calculated value of Z table, Z at 5% level of significance, H0 is accepted. Hence, we conclude that there is no significant difference between the population mean and one specified in H0 as mu 0. Now, what is Pearsall correlation? Correlation is a technique for investigating the relationship between two quantitative continuous variable. Pearson coefficient is denoted by small r. It measures of strength association between two variables. Type of correlation as per Pearson correlation: perfect positive correlation, r is equal to +1. Partial positive correlation, 0 where r is greater than 0 and r is smaller than +1. No correlation, r is equal to 0. Partial negative correlation, 0 is greater than r and r is greater than -1. Perfect negative correlation, r is -1. Now, what is ANOVA? It is termed as analysis of variance, is the collection of statistical model used to analyze difference between group mean or variance. Used to analyze difference between group means or variance. Compare multiple group at one time, developed by R.A. Fisher. ANOVA may be of two types, one-way ANOVA or two-way ANOVA. One-way ANOVA, compare two or more unmatched group when data is categorized in one factor. Example, comparing a control group with 3 different doses of aspirin. Comparing the productivity of 3 or more employees based on working hour in a company. Used to two-way ANOVA, used to determine the effect of two nominal predictor variable on continuous outcome variable. It analyzes the effect of independent variable on the expected outcome along with the relationship to the outcome itself. For example, comparing the employee productivity based on working hour and working condition. So two parameters is there, working hours and working condition. Therefore, it is two-way ANOVA. Assumption in ANOVA, the sample are always independent and selected randomly. Parent form population from which sample are taken is of normal distribution. Various treatment and environmental effect are additive in nature. Experimental error are distributed normally with mean 0 and variance sigma square. How we can calculate ANOVA compare variance by F ratio, variance between sample, variance within sample. It again depend on the experimental design. Now, according to null hypothesis, all population are same. If we computed FC is greater than F critical value, we are likely to reject the null hypothesis. If FC computed is lesser than the F critical value, then null hypothesis is accepted. This is ANOVA table, source of variation, sum of square, degree of freedom, mean square, F ratio. Between sample or groups, treatment sum of square, degree of freedom, then sum of square, degree of freedom, TRSS, this one TRSS and K minus 1, F ratio is TRMS. Within sample group error of sum of square ESS and minus K, ESS and minus K, total sum of square TSS and minus 1. Type of group, parametric test, comparison of two paired group, paired t-test. Comparison of two unpaired group, unpaired two sample test. Compare of population and sample drawn from same population, one sample t-test. Comparison of three or more attached group, yeah, matched group, but variation in two factor, two-way ANOVA. Comparison of three or more matched group, but variation is one factor, one-way ANOVA, and correlation between two variable is Pearson correlation. Thank you very much. If you have any problem, you can mail us at ankurjoshi@moderninstitute.in. Thank you very much.